If you guys are wine lovers like me, you are gonna love this video. So make sure you watch it all the way to the end, because I found one of the best ways to drink wine is to join one of the wine clubs. And what I do basically is I join the wine club, I get the deal, and then I cancel. Because the reason for doing that is because once you cancel, a lot of times they will send you like another promotional offer a couple of months down the road, and then you can kind of like cycle through different ones, keep getting the promotional offer, and then just keep canceling. And by doing that, you get wine super cheap. So I just got this box today. I don't even remember what's in here because I ordered it like a little over a week ago, but I know there's supposed to be 8 bottles of wine in here. And get this, I only paid $40 for this box. So I'm not very good at math in my head, but that comes down to like $4 or $5 a bottle for each bottle, you know, and that's so cheap for wine. And this is not crap wine either, by the way. Like if you go to the store and you buy, you know, a $4 or $5 bottle of wine, it's probably going to taste pretty awful. But these wines, in my experience, have been mostly great. And if you don't like them, they will also refund you for a wine that you don't like. So keep that in mind. So I forgot to show you here, just by taking everything out, this is everything that came inside. It looks like they give you a little magazine, which I never got in one of these boxes before. They give you some tasting notes for each one of the different wines and some recipes, things like that. And here you can see all the different wines that I actually have. So yeah, you got 8 bottles there. Actually, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't know why it's saying 7. Oh, okay, because we got 2 here. So it is 8 bottles. And 2 of those were bonus bottles. It was supposed to be 6, and then they throw in 2 for free. So you can see it comes all nicely packed like this. You know, they got these things on top that really keep the wine from moving around. I've never gotten a broken bottle or anything like that. And like I said, the wines have mostly been excellent. And this is like the cheapest way to drink high quality wines. So if you guys are interested in doing this, I put a link down in the description of this video of how you can sign up for this. Definitely check it out, and yeah, enjoy that wine. So now that everything's out of the box here, you guys can see the different types of wines we have here. And I just wanted to show you this so that way you can see that these are, you know, some really high quality wines. You're not getting garbage here. I almost never have a complaint. I think I've complained like twice about these different wines. So definitely worth checking out if you're a wine drinker. If you guys like this video, be sure to drop it a like, put a comment down below and let me know what you think of this kind of video. If you want to see more videos about wine, because I do love drinking wine and I have no problem making more videos about that. And if you guys enjoyed hanging out with me, make sure to check out some more of my videos right over there, and I will see you over there.